prove that sin 15 degrees is equal to cos 75 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 whole divided by 2 root 2. See, sin 15 degrees is equal to cos 75 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So we have to prove this. To find sin 15 degrees or cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees, cot 15 degrees, we have to apply compound angles formulas here. So using compound angles concept or formulas, we can find values of sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, cot 15, or sin 75, cos 75, tan 75 and cot 75 degrees. Here we need sin 15 degrees. Later we can prove cos 75 is equal to cos 75 degrees. First let us find the value of sin 15 degrees, or let us prove sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 prove chedam first. Later we can prove sin 15 degrees equals to cos 75 degrees. First of all, here angle is 15 degrees. 15 degrees. Okay. Here theta is 15 degrees. Angle theta is equal to 15 degrees. We know that 15 degrees, we can write 15 degrees as 60 minus some 45, 60 degrees minus 40 degrees, or 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, or something like 75 degrees minus 60 degrees, and so on. But here I am going to consider either 60 degrees minus 45 degrees or 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. And I am not going to consider this 75 degrees minus 60 degrees. Why? Because we do not know trigonometric ratio of sin 75 degrees and or cos 75 degrees, tan 75 degrees and some cot 75 degrees. We know trigonometric values of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360. Okay. So మనకి తెలిసినవి ఏంటి trigonometric values generally గా తెలిసినవి 30, 60, 45, okay, and 90, 180, 270. ఇవే మనకు తెలుసు. We don't know what is the value of sin 75. Okay. So we have to find sin 75, sin 15, okay, or some other trigonometric functions. Okay, that's why here I am going to consider either 60 minus 45 or 45 minus 30. అయితే ఇదేనా తీసుకుంటానో లేదా ఇదేనా తీసుకుంటాను, because we know trigonometric values of 60 degrees, 45 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, so anyhow here I am going to consider 45 minus 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Of course you can consider 60 minus 45. At final you will get same answer, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. ఇది తీసుకున్నా ఇదే వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో 15 degrees is equal to 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay, I'm not going to take this. Okay. Apply sin on both sides. Sin 15 degrees is equals to sin 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 minus 30, again you will get 15 degrees. Now sin a minus b, apply compound angles formula, sin a minus b. Okay na, compound angles formula apply chedam. Sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b minus cos a sin b. Now sin 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to what then? Using this formula, here a is equal to 45, b is equal to 30. Put a is equal to 45. Sin 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees b minus cos 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. b is equal to 30. Sin 45 degrees is equal to what? Sin 45 minus 30 how much? Sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2. So multiply numerators and denominators. 1 into root 2, root 2 by product of denominators 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Okay. Here denominators are same, right? Common denominator 2 root 2. Now subtract. So here we have subtraction symbol. Now subtract numerators. Root 3 minus 1. Therefore, sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of sin 15 degrees. Now let us prove sin 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees. Very simple formula in trigonometry. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Replace theta by 15. Now sin 15 degrees is equal to what? Cos 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Now cos 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, how much? 75 degrees. Okay. Therefore sin 15 degrees is equal to cos 75 degrees. So sin 15 degrees is equal to cos 75 degrees is equal to, what is the value? Common value, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Hence proved.